Hi, welcome to the session on Road to 100 Con questions. Four numbers are such that the sum is 150. The ratio of the first two numbers is 2:1. And the last two numbers is 1:3. Also, the third number is 15 less than the second number. What is the value of third number? Now, one way if you look at it, the first two numbers sum is a multiple of 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 multiple of 3. The last number also is a multiple of 3. And sum of all the four numbers is also a multiple of 3. Which means the third number should also be a multiple of 3. And since there's only one option which is multiple of 3, you can mark that as a B option. Multiples of numbers are a good way to get the answer much faster. So in this case, you can see 2:1. They will be multiple of 3. If I take the numbers as 2x and x, multiple of 3. The last number 3 is a multiple of 3. Sum is multiple of 3. Therefore, 1 has to be multiple of 3. But anyway, if you solve, first number if I assume 2x, second number x, third number will be x minus 15 because 15 less. Fourth number will be 3 times x minus 15. And sum of these four numbers is nothing but 150. If you add it up, so if you look at it, 2x plus x plus x plus 3x is 7x minus 15 minus 45 minus 60 equal to 150. So you get 7x equal to 210 or you'll get x equal to 30. So we want the third number. Third number is x minus 15. So answer is 30 minus 15, which will give you 15 as the answer. B option. A square UVWX is inscribed in a square PQRS. If this is square PQRS, so UVWX is in between that, such that it divides the ratio 3:4. That means if I draw the figure like this, divide a ratio of 3:4. So if I take this as 3 and take this as 4, this side becomes 5. Right angle triangle, triplets, 3, 4, 5. That means ratio of the side PQ and ratio of side UV is nothing but 7:5. Now if you draw one more inside 3:4, okay, if you draw one more 3:4, you will again get 3, 4 and 5. The ratio of this side, that is ratio of side of UV to side of LM is again 7:5. So I want PQ is to LM. So PQ is to UV is to LM. Multiply the first ratio by 7, second ratio by 5 and combine it. You get 49 is to 35 is to 25. And PQ is to LM will be 49 is to 25. That's the answer, C option. Four numbers ABCD is such that A plus B is 24, C is A plus 6 and D is maximum B and C. Instead of C, if I put A plus 6, so D will be nothing but maximum of B and A plus 6. Now what is the minimum value of this? Now if I look at the sum of A plus B plus 6, A plus 6 and plus B, the sum becomes 6 plus 24, which is 30. That means sum of these two numbers is 30. So we want D is minimum. The minimum value of D can be when both are 15 and 15. Sum of these two sums are 30. So minimum value of D will be both will be equal, 15 and 15. When one is bigger than the other, D will automatically become bigger. So that means I can say definitely that B is 15. So when I say A plus B plus C plus D, okay, B is 15. C will also be 15. A will be 15 minus 6, 9 and D will also be 15. If you add it up, you will get the value as 54, B option. 45 plus 9, 54. Log. So one way I can maybe do is 25. Here also 5 3s are 15. So I'll try to find log 5. So A is equal to log to the base 3 5 square or 2 log of 5 to the base 3. That is A. I need to substitute in B because I want B in terms of A. B is equal to log of 5 into 3 to the base 3, which is nothing but log of 5 to the base 3 plus log of 3 to the base 3. Now log of I to the base 3 is nothing but a upon 2. If I solve this, log of I to the base 3 is nothing but a upon 2. Substitute here. A upon 2 and log of t to the base 3 is 1. So you'll basically get a plus 2 upon 2, which is C option. P scored an average of a total of 240 marks in 4 papers. In the first paper, he scored 1/3 of what he scored in remaining papers. That means in the first paper, he scored X. Okay. In the remaining papers, he scored 3X. And the total is 240. From that, you can make out 4X is 240 or X is equal to 240 upon 4, which is 60. That means the first paper he scored 60. Similarly, if I say second paper is scored Y, the remaining papers is scored 2Y. Total is 240. So automatically Y will be 240 upon 3, which will give you 80. So second paper is scored 80. Third paper, let's say, scored Z. So remaining paper is scored 4Z because he scored 1/4 of the marks in the remaining paper, which is equal to 240. So Z is equal to 240 upon 5, which is 48. So total in these papers is 188. That means marks in the remaining papers is 240 minus 188, which will give you 52. C option. That will be the answer. Thank you.